with this next example, it's just asking for what is the solution to the systems below. So there's no word problem, thankfully. All we have to do is just plug them in. So if you looked at example 1, this first 2.1 question is actually written in the form of like the word problem that we had previously. So again, assuming you are given the star tested Desmos, which is the one that I'm using, then you would have to solve for y. If you didn't, you can just type in your equations exactly as it is and there would be no problem. But like I said, let's just assume you do have to. So we're going to take the first equation, so 4x plus y equals 6. And then, of course, we want to solve this for y in order to be able to graph that. So what we're going to do is subtract both sides by 4x. Again, I am subtracting because it is a positive 4. That goes away, so I have y equals 6 minus 4x. Okay, make that a little bit nicer. Minus 4x. And then my second equation, 2x minus y equals negative 3. I am going to subtract the 2x because it is a positive 2. Negative y equals negative 3 minus 2x. Now, because this is a negative y, we still have to divide. So let's put an imaginary 1 there. So let's say that's negative 1. Negative 1. So we're going to divide everything here by negative 1. And so now what we're going to put into Desmos is this part and this part. So let's go ahead and graph that. So we have 6 minus 4x. 6 minus 4x. There goes our line. And we have the fraction. Negative 3 minus 2x divided by negative 1. And then there goes our second line. And then we see that they meet across right here. So our answer here should be 0.5, 4. Now, what's going to happen is probably your answer choices will be in fractions. So we just need to type in 0.5 in case you don't know, or like whatever decimal that is. If you look at the left side, there's a circle with a fraction. You click on that and it gives you 1/2. So this in essence is going to be 1/2, 4. And so then that's our solution here. So 1/2, 4. Now let's go ahead and look at the second example. So notice how both of them already have y equals. And that's already good for us to go ahead and graph them. So we have 3x plus 6. Delete this. 3x plus 6. And then the next one is 3x minus 6. Minus 6. And so now I'm going to press this minus sign here. And it looks like they're never going to touch. Right. So that means that these lines are parallel lines. And then at the very beginning, we talked about parallel lines have no solution. If I can write, this would be great. No solution. So I'm going to put here like an image, so parallel lines. So that's no solution.